Hi everyone, my name is Trace Armstrong from the Bekaert Automation and Analytics team. Let's talk about a challenge nearly every organization faces: managing cash flow processes that are too manual, too disconnected, and too slow. Think about how financial requests move across your company. Emails, spreadsheets, offline approvals, and scattered data. Every delay makes it harder to see what's coming, control cash flow, and make confident investment decisions. That's why intelligent cash flow automation matters. It connects every step of how money moves, requests, reviews, approvals, and forecasting into one continuous digital process. Information flows in real time, giving leaders the power to see, decide, and act with confidence. This isn't about replacing your ERP. It's about enhancing it, connecting your existing systems so requests, data, and dashboards all work together seamlessly. That's what this video series is all about. In this series, we'll show you how our capital expenditure automation solution, or CapEx for short, takes finance operations to the next level, how we simplify requests with a modern Power App, how it brings financial visibility to life through Power BI dashboards, and how Copilot AI agents turn complex questions into instant actionable insights. By the end, you'll see exactly how organizations are transitioning to intelligent cash flow automation, using this solution to make better financial decisions and ultimately make every dollar work harder.